Okay, it is February 2nd. It's about 10 o'clock. And this is what my outside looks like. It's, okay, oh my gosh, you can't even see anything. Alright, here's the drift in front of the door. So I can't open my front door anymore. Like, Dad, you can't even see anything. Alright, all the roads are closed. There's someone trying to do their driveway, but I don't think it really helps. Like, Dad, how much snow do you think is outside?
How much have we gotten?
Yeah.
I think about 18 inches.
Okay, my dad thinks we have 18 inches. It's really hard to see outside. Like, and I can't open any doors right now because we're pretty much trapped inside. Because our back door is covered, our front door has a drift in front, and our garage is, there's snow in front of our garage, so we're gonna have to try to attempt to, I don't know, move it. I don't know how we're gonna get out. But this is the snow in the front. As you can see, you can't see it. We do live in a cul-de-sac, so you can't even tell where it is. Like, yeah, you can't even see where the road is. Here, if I can show you a different perspective. Okay. Once again, there's a road here. There's a road coming down the middle of this house and my house. And you can't see it at all. And there was a plow that went through at 4:30. There's my neighbor attempting to snow blow the driveway. This is the drift in front of our 6-foot fence. Yeah, this snow is like right up. Yeah, I'm coming too. Hey, I'm just gonna finish this video. Alright, let's see. Now let's go to the back door. Well, here's the other perspective. Yeah, the stop sign, there's a road going this way and this way, and you can't even see it because the snow has covered it all up to the point where it's leveled up with the yards because of the wind. It's really hard to see, but yeah, you can't even see, but people who left their cars in their driveways are completely buried in snow. So you can't even see this. I might take a picture of it later. But yeah, there's some more snow. Okay. Here's our back door, which I cannot open for sure. I'm making a video. Alright. This is our back door. Okay. So yeah, the drift has gotten much higher since yesterday. And like I said, we have a 6-foot fence and the drift is almost covering it. You can see on top of the table how much snow we got. But yeah, there are people attempting to shovel their way out of their driveways, but me and my dad are gonna tackle it soon. But yeah, the snow is right by the fence. It's almost 4 feet deep, I think. And then, let's see. This is what our window looks like. Yeah. This is bad. Yeah. So, this is what a blizzard looks like. And, yeah. There's people. There's TV. Yeah, and they just keep showing school closings and whatnot, like at the bottom. Yeah. But yeah, all of the main roads are even closed. My mom and my dad's work are actually closed. Like, that usually never happens. But this is pretty epic. I mean, it's really bad. So yeah, we're gonna try to get out soon. to do the driveway. And we will talk to you soon, alright? Talk to you later. Bye.